Here we are now at the house of Jean's mother. It's this one in Florida. Gamay Ballet, little house. Beautiful bougainvillea here. We are waiting for a ride on this motorbike to Bonifacio, some business there for Jean.
Sabi naman ako, nag-ingon pa lang si tatay na ma-order ng mga tahanan kung mag-oper-oper o 140. Di na ako ihatag sa ilahan kaya niingon na din kudaan.
That's the house, coconut trees in the background. It's fresh here in the province. Look at this beautiful flower. Wow. You get a beautiful flower like this. The neighbors next door. The sound of chickens. That's the province for you. Always the sound of chickens. That coconut tree is very high. I wouldn't want to climb up there for coconuts. And this way is the Agasan River. Turn right to the village. Houses very close to the river when it floods, in danger of flooding. Welcome, Purok to pigs sleeping. Lazy day, you can just see the river in the background. It's a bit low at the moment, no rain. Chickens with their chicks. Like to see in the grass. More pigs in the distance. Fruit in the trees. Jean will tell me the name of that one. Palm trees growing, beautiful foliage here. I love how that coconut tree leans. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.